to offer in training. So our training include pre-writing part. Pre-writing part is designed to prepare the participants for quality research writing. It's a pre-writing work. Here we have four major contents. One, purpose-built writing for research. Here we encourage the participants to have adequately designed purpose and objective before starting the writing. Then we have design scheme of academic writing. It is just like a planning and civil work and architect work for that project. We know the importance of architect in construction. Similarly, we must know the importance of design, making good plan for academic writing. So design scheme is very much important, and this would be part of that workshop components. Then we address the academic writing background, like putting literature together, generating literature, synthesizing literature, and making beautiful picture out of that literature, and generating research questions and problems from that literature. Then we have also session on technicalities in academic writing, where the trainer will train us how to take care of the technicalities. Then we have this would be a lecture based session. Then we have application session, where there would be a case study on personality skills for academic writing. Then we have learning log, and there are number of other quizzes, concept tests, exercises, and case studies. Their workshop would be divided into two parts. 50% part would be lecture based, where experienced academicians will deliver lecture either online or either physically in the venue of the workshop, and 50% of the workshop will include exercises, concept tests, knowledge quizzes, and other challenging case studies which will challenge the thinking of the participants to have good knowledge about that scenario and that issue, and then also apply that knowledge in real life settings. So after pre-writing, then we have the writing work. The writing work shows us how to prepare the people for managing the writing process. Now we are in the process of writing. So in writing process, we will share the content like keep adding from theorizing to synergizing, building block, the format and formation in academic writing, creating knowledge through critical writing, the game of ideas and theories. These are bit advanced contents, and hopefully the people will enjoy it. Delivered would be very in a lovely manner. So here we will see how the knowledge is created, converted into a sellable, readable, beautiful knowledge item, knowledge product. And in writing work, we will also have application session, where we will have knowledge quiz, group presentation, and case study. Then we have post-writing era, where the people will be trained to promote their academic writing and publish their academic writing. So here we deal with the editors, we deal with the reviewing system, we have to revise our papers and resubmit. And there is another lecture which is competitiveness in academic writing. This lecture will present what are the skill set of researchers having good number of research publications in advanced countries like USA, UK, Australia, and we will share these skills with the participants of developing countries and encourage them to have this kind of skill. This session also includes a self-reflection session, where participants will share what they have learned, how they have learned, how they would apply their knowledge. And then again we have a learning log. Learning log is an IRP unique product, where people reflect their learning, relate with the career and life, and share what is further needed to improve their skills and capabilities. So this is the three-part workshop: the pre-writing, the writing, and the post-writing. So training is particularly designed for the people having MSc, PhD, enrollment in the universities, and the researchers working as a research associate, and the members of the university staff involved in writing process, and then we have research associates and research executives. So these are the people would be trained in area of academic writing. So there must be few other people who have relationship with the academic writing, and they must be invited for that workshop, and we welcome them. And then now we come to the methodology of the workshop. We have a very unique methodology for that workshop, which is designed by our senior people, and few PhDs who are dedicated to design a unique methodology which addresses the needs of the participants in research method. So I would like to read for you. IRP offers very unique and innovative learning methodology to the participants. The methodology, named as Up Learning, provides gradual upgradation to the participants in research methods. The scheme of methodology leads the participant through research learning at entry, mid, and exit level of the workshop, and includes understand the challenge. It's an entry-level basic part of the workshop, helps participants to understand basic challenges and issues of the project subject. And then we have P, perform the challenge. It's a mid-level practical part of the workshop, involves participants in exercising learned concepts for real-life challenges. And then we have another P, which is plan the challenge. It's an exit level planning part of the workshop, help participants to relate their life context with the learning outcome and plan future course of the action. Now we look at the graphical presentation of that academic learning. Here we can see that Up Learning methodology in workshop. It's just appearing to you shortly. That Up Learning workshop is the methodology which takes the participant from footstep and leads them to the high ups. Like we at the entry level of the workshop, we focus on the understand of the challenge. Then at the mid area edge of the workshop, we will encourage people to perform the challenge and address the real issue of their practical life. And at the end 30% part of the workshop, we help people and participants to plan their challenges according to their life needs, according to their careers, and according to their wishes to grow. So here we have the future course in research, how a researcher will grow into a new horizon, and how a researcher will grow with the support of good academic writing skills. So this was the humble, rightly designed methodology by IRP.